In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin to Google Ads account. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Ads at ads.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that actually owns or manages the ad account you want to update. If you have multiple accounts, check the account name and customer ID at the top to confirm you're in the right place before you change permissions. Once you're in the correct account, go to Admin. Depending on your interface, this may appear as the Tools and Settings icon, the little wrench at the top. Click it to open the menu. This is where all the account level controls live, including user access and billing. From that menu, choose Access and Security. This section controls who can view and manage your campaigns, audiences, and settings. It's the central hub for inviting, editing, or removing users. Inside Access and Security, open the Users tab. You'll see a list of people who currently have access along with their roles. Take a quick look to make sure you don't already see the person you plan to add, and note the roles assigned to others to keep your permission structure consistent. To add someone new, look for the option to invite users and enter the email address of the person you want to add. Double check the spelling and use the email associated with the Google account they intend to use for ads. Typos here are the most common reason invitations fail. If you see an access expiration setting, select Never. This keeps their access ongoing. If you only need temporary assistance, you can choose a specific duration, but for a permanent admin, Never is the right choice. Next, set the role to Admin. Admins can manage users, billing, account settings, and campaigns, so only assign this to people you fully trust. If you don't want to grant full control, you can choose a lower role such as Standard, which allows campaign management without user or billing control. But for this walkthrough, we're selecting Admin. When everything looks good, click Send Invitation. Google Ads will email the person with a link to accept. Until they accept, their status appears as pending in your users list. If the invite doesn't arrive, have them check spam or promotions and verify that their email can receive messages from Google. You can resend the invite from the same user's screen if needed. After they accept, refresh the page to confirm their role shows as admin and the expiration is set to Never. You're done. Keep admins to a minimum, review access regularly, and remove permissions when they're no longer needed. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to add an admin to your Google Ads account.